Nah. Records are meant to be broken, and people calling you the greatest, that's all opinions. I can't concern myself with that. It's about how I come to work every day. Yeah. I feel like we're understanding what coach wants from us on both ends of the floor. I feel like guys get more comfortable with each other and their roles on the team, and that's only going to go well for us as we start to play real games. So it was good to kind of get a punch in the mouth early on to remind us that this is not going to be a cakewalk. And so many people are used to Team USA coming in and blowing everybody out. So it was good for us to see that. And hopefully those are the last losses. Nah, not really. You play no more victories. You only want to be the last team standing in the NBA Finals. In the playoffs. So we understand how good we are, and our goal wasn't just to push the Bucks. The goal was to win it. But unfortunately, we didn't. But congrats to the Bucks, an amazing team who fought through a lot these last few years to get to this point. So nothing but respect for them.